Welcome back to SSB Short Academy, your one-stop solution for tips, tricks and guidance for the SSB interview. In today's video, Col KV Nair will be demonstrating and explaining how to do the individual obstacles. He will be explaining the obstacles one by one, and he will also ask a volunteer to give you guys a demo for it. In our next video, one candidate will be demonstrating all the 10 obstacles within the given time frame in the most effective and efficient way. We keep uploading new videos every week on different topics like the psych test, the GTO task and also the interviewing technique. If you want to check out the videos related to the psychology test, I would advise you to click on the I button above and you will go straight to the playlist. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on our future videos by hitting the notification bell, like this video and also don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
I am Cadet David Rani from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
I am Cadet Shivam Yadav from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh.
You consider this as the number one, right?
Yes, sir.
All you have to do is come from the side,
Jump.
across the log, right?
Yes, yes.
Not from the middle,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Anyone for a demo?
Yes,
For India? Come, 52.
Guys, get back please.
Move from there. That's good. What you see is just an inclined plank. All you have to do is climb and jump. Any volunteer?
Yes.
Okay, so. Move away a little. Easy, zigzag bar. You have to climb from here, balance yourself, right, all the way on this to this, walk across, jump.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Who is the volunteer? 46.
A small tip, whenever you reach this point, please take 2 seconds time and then move for the next. Okay? Don't be in a hurry.
So, whenever, if you find that you can't do one particular obstacle and if you're taking more time, you're wasting your time, right? Skip it. Go to the next one. And if you complete the rest in less than 3 minutes, you come and complete this again. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Because I've seen people trying to repeating the same thing, and finally they spend almost a minute plus only on one obstacle, right? If you think that it's not possible for you, you're missing, skip it. Go to the next one. Don't waste time. Complete all, then come back. Right? Screen. All you have to do is run on the plank, jump across without touching the red screen. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be a Spanish bull with you. Right? Just behind you. Okay. Volunteer? 249. Come. Number 8. What is it? A double jump. Right?
Yes, sir.
First you jump, hold the rope, land on that platform and jump from there. Right? You think it's very deep? No. So it's quite easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on to both sides. Volunteer 49, 2. A long run as if he's bowling in the cricket pitch. So longer the run, more will be your fitness. The momentum will be high. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Come on to this. Look, if you look at it, it's very easy. All you have to climb and jump. Volunteer? Okay, 55. number 9. But in actual commando training in the walk, that plank on top will be just about 6 inches or 5 inches, right?
Yes, sir.
And it will be at the height of almost 30 meters in the water, right? And when you start walking, that one keeps shaking. Right? But here it's so simple. You look at this,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right?
Yes.
You think it is just a cakewalk?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, volunteer. 53 you have done before? No.
No, sir.
Okay, go. Easy obstacle,
Yes, sir.
right? Yes. As long as you can hold something and you got something under your foot, you're through. Right? The actual one, the whole thing will keep shaking and the rope will be very thin. Right? Volunteer? 52. You hold it like this, the grip, towards you. Number 10 is just a leap. Make sure that when you leap and catch the rope, it is a tight grip. Otherwise, what happens?
And it will be
Yeah, your complete palm will be scraped, right?
Yes.
So the grip should be tight and come down. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Volunteer? Who is behind? Okay, come. Good. Now let us go to number 6.
Normal.
Very easy, huh? Normal. Sit normal.
Normal. We do
Now, all you have to do is climb up to the platform, hold the rope, and like Tarzan, you swing. Only thing you don't have to shout Tarzan Bundalo, right? So you just swing. Make sure that you land on other side of that small little red flag you see, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. In only one thing we have. Sir, support will be
You
there.
can't keep going up and down like a pendulum, right?
Yes, sir.
One swing and leap, right?
Yes, sir.
There's a small flag there. You have to land on the other side, right? Who is the volunteer who didn't do anything till now?
Sir.
You didn't do. Okay. Now you are a Tarzan. Okay. Now the marks you get is the number which is written on each obstacle.
1, 2, 6.
Right. So you may find 10 here, you may find 9 somewhere else, right? You may find 5 somewhere else, right?
Yes, sir.
But you can start, I said, from wherever you want and finish wherever you want. And in SSB, when you go, ensure that you do it in a logical sequence. Not that you do that last one first, from here the last, then run all the way here because this has got more marks. Then look for which is the next number, go there. That's not the way, right?
Yes, sir.
Do it in a logical sequence. Start from one and go in a proper sequence, not zigzag, zigzag, zigzag run.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
If we have completed, in the second time we did this, and we can continuously do this because it carries 10 marks.
that is up to you.
We can.
Sir, it's necessary that first we have to complete first round all the obstacles, then in second round all the obstacles.
You can do. I told you, you can repeat the obstacles within 3 minutes, provided you have done all. You miss one and do the rest, then you can't again start repeating the others.
Necessarily
You will have to complete what you missed. Do that first. Then if still time, do the rest.
each per at least once.
Each one at least once you should have completed.
Yes.
And that should be your aim first.
Yes.
Right? And don't spend too much of time on one obstacle like I said earlier. If you find that you are spending more time, you can't do it, skip, go to the next one. Right? Once you complete the rest, come and do that again. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And while especially on the ropes and swing, don't keep looking down. Don't keep looking whether I should now go or don't go. Right? Should I try this? Should I come down? Nothing doing. It's all very simple ones. Just carry on doing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
You're all youngsters, a lot of stamina, energy.
Sir.
Right? Absolutely. Okay, good. Now you guys go and sit there.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for all the future updates. If you're new to this channel, then do check out our other videos as well. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram.